Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track order on H&M app. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to track your orders in the H&M app here, well, this one is quite easy. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the H&M app here, and you want to go and log in into your account. I'm assuming you already did so. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon, or the profile icon I see at the very bottom of your screen here, or your profile page. Go ahead and press or click on it, and you should see a bunch of options. Now it should show you orders and account settings by default, but go ahead and look for orders and just select this one. Now this will show you all the orders that you currently have in your account. Now if you do see one of your orders in here, you can go and select one of your orders, and this will basically show you your current item or the item for that order. Now, it will show you the current status, like if the order has been received, processed, or has been sent, or the order is already on the way to you. Now, if you want to see more details about your order, like specific details, you can go and click on track your order here, and you'll be able to see more regarding your current order. But in this case, that's about it. As far as this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.